Balik na sa the Barracks sa Carbon Market Cebu because today natin i-check out na bagong kananan ang Chef Pablo na fried chicken by nag-abri na rin. So muna itong i-check out. Tara, mag-fried chicken na na.
From the streets to the hidden corners, Kalami, Cebu, start of morning, we discover local flavors and foodies unite. Feast on the goodness from morning till night. Oh yeah, Kalami, Cebu, oh so divine. A food book that'll make your taste buds shine. From hole in the wall to don't make the lights. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavor, save for foodies delight. Follow the water gourmet treats. Kalami, Cebu, oh what a delight. A flood that brings our taste buds to life. From street food stalls to hidden gems, championing the people, the local food gems. With each bite we take, a story unfolds. The passion and love, but shine. From hole in the wall to don't make the lights. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight. Taste the flavors, savor the love. Kalami, Cebu, take your bite to life. Come join the journey. It's a foodie's delight.
So mga guys, it's time to taste Chef Pablo's fried chicken. Mana, so good sa tas drumsticks ba? Namigod kayo ba? Parisa na itong puso. And this is only gravy ba? So napasila garlic parmesan. Napasila ilang flavor sa gravy. Pero ako, classic ganato. Pero mana, why makabit ang fried chicken na bagong hahon ba? Init, crunchy, lami. O, diba? Kita ka na. Ikaw, unsa may mong favorite fried chicken part? Dari makapili sa gid ka dari sa Chef Pablo. Partner ni Puso, of course, and kalas ginig Puso. And this time, atong tilawan ang liog, which is the cheaper option. Pero puta na ako kakadako ni na liog. Kagumkum kayo. Lami, gihapon kayo. Ung nagyapon kayo unod na makaon, bay. Kalas yun, og puso, di ba? Lami. And of course, they also have ngohiong, by the way, if you love more crunchy options. So, di ba? Kana mga bagong prito, lisod gid kinapildihon. O tanaw ni mga kabalandunan, kanang kayo mukhaon rin kay affordable kaayo, di ba? So, ay kalimti, Chef Pablo is now open in Carbon, og diyan tag-iya to invite you to come.
Kita-kita ta dire sa Chef Pablo Barracks. Open ta 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. every day.